Hello children, good morning to all. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. Welcome back to the class children. In the last previous session, we have learned about what is sentence. And today we are going to learn about the topic articles. Shall we go to the class? Today's our topic is article. Articles are used before nouns. An article points out which person or thing is being talked or referred to. Yes, children, articles points out which person we are talking about or about which thing we are talking about. There are two types of article. One is definite article. The is a definite article. Particularly, we are talking about the person, the book, the pencil, the pen. The second one, indefinite article. Indefinite article, a or an or indefinite article. Article A, example, a car. For article an, example, an apple. Yes, children, a or an are indefinite articles. Children, see here, we use a and an for singular numbers. Example, a is used for the noun beginning with consonant sound. What sound? Consonant sound. An is used for the vowel sounds. As you all know, there are 26 letters in alphabets. In that, 5 are vowel sounds and rest of other 21 are consonants. Vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U, as you all know before. Now let's see the examples for the article A. A crow, a plate, a knife, a boy, a mango, a card, a lion. All these words begins with consonant sound. Begins with consonant sound. So, this is indefinite article. Now, let's see about article an. An eagle, an apple, an egg, an inkpot, an ass, an orange, an enemy. These words begins with vowel sounds. So, because begins with vowel sound, we use article an. See children, I have given some more examples for your clarification. For a boy, a cat, a hat, a jug, a net, a pen, a tree, a van, a dog, a fox, a goat, a kite, a lion, a mango, a quilt, a rat, a ship, a will, a arch, a zebra. These all sounds begins with consonants. I have given some more examples for the article an. Please see carefully or observe carefully for this. An apple, an aeroplane, an eagle, an engine, an image, an island, an onion, an oven, an uncle, an umbrella. These words begins with vowel sounds. Which sound? Vowel sounds. Yes, children. These letters begins with vowel sound. So, we use an before it. Children, here carefully listen. Some nouns begin with a consonant letter but have a vowel sound. Why? Because the consonant letter is silent here. Examples: an R, an SMS, an honor, an MLA. These letters begins with consonant but the sound has vowels. So once again I tell you, these words begins with consonants letter but has a vowel sound. So for that reason we use "and" before these words. Children, please note and be careful here also. A for vowel letter but has consonant sound. See the examples. A European, a union, a university, a use, a uniform. Here it is vowel letter but has consonant sound. So we use before A. Children, did you understand about indefinite articles? Now we'll move on to the definite article the. The article we use when we talk about a particular person, animal or things. Yes children, we use the when we talk about a particular person or things. We use the with both singular and plural nouns. Examples: I saw a ball in the field. The ball was red in color. Here you see, I am particularly telling about the ball which I saw in the field. I am talking about the ball which I saw in the field. So I am using the before the ball. See the next sentence. He is not telling the truth. Here I am particularly telling about the truth. He is not telling the truth. I am pointing out particularly about the truth. So we use the particularly to the truth. Let's move on to the third sentence. Is someone at the door? See here children, I am pointing out the door. Is there anybody standing at the door? I am pointing out the door. Particularly the door I am pointing out. So we use the before the door. Children, shall we do an exercise here? Yes. Choose a or an and say the phrase. You see the first one. A or an dog and a or an cat. It is a dog or an dog? Yes children, it is a dog. A dog. And see here, a cat or an cat? It is a cat because it starts with consonant sound. Let's move on to the second one. A camel or an camel? Yes, a camel. An elephant or a elephant? Yes children, an elephant because it begins with vowel sounds. Very good children. Next, we'll move on to the third one. A octopus or an octopus? An octopus. Very good. A frog or an frog? A frog. Fourth one. A fox or an fox? Yes, it is a fox. A rabbit or an rabbit? It is a rabbit. Fifth one. A owl or an owl? It is an owl because it begins with vowel sound. Next. A alligator or an alligator? Yes children, an alligator because it also begins with vowel sound. Let's move on to the sixth one. A tiger or an tiger? Yes, it is a tiger. A rat or an rat? Good, it is a rat. Okay children, I hope you all very clear with this topic. Children, did you understand the topic? Yes children, please watch the video again and again until you are very clear with the topic. And if you have any doubt, call to my number to clarify your doubts. Thank you children.